Hey guys, how's it going? It's Janie over here at JaniesSweets. Welcome back to my channel. Happy 2020. Welcome to the very first video of the decade. I'm so excited to be bringing you guys all of these fun videos in 2020. I hope everyone had a really awesome and happy safe new year. So let's get started with this video. Now what this video is going to be about, I did something similar last year. It's going to be an update on how the channel is going to be run from now on. I am really excited because this year I'm going to be putting a lot more effort into this channel. I know last year I did one video every other week, so only twice a month. Now this year I'm going to be doing one video every single week, so every Friday you will have a different video. I'm also going to focus on different things. So last year I did a Friday fixes and a decorating video. You guys seem to really like the Friday fixes more than the decorating videos, so what I'm going to do is focus more on those. Also, what I'm going to do is, instead of decorating videos, I'm going to be making more recipe videos. So different kinds of basic recipes, because I get a lot of questions on how to just make a simple vanilla cake or a simple chocolate cake or stuff like that. So I'm going to be making more videos on those rather than the elaborate wedding cakes that I've been making in the past. So I hope you're super excited, because I am. I also have another goal, is to teach hands-on classes. So I know I said it last year, but I didn't put any work into it. This year I definitely will. I probably will be focusing on that in the summer. So if you are in the New York or New Jersey area, let me know if you're interested in these classes. I did post something on my Instagram and a lot of you seem to be interested. So let me know what you want to learn, and I am more than happy to teach you guys. I think I want to do a lot of, again, the baking 101 things, like how to stack a cake, how to crumb coat, how to, you know, have those perfect smooth edges on your cake, rather than decorating like really elaborate cakes, because that's gonna take a long time. But if that's what you want to learn, let me know, and I definitely can bring those to you. What else? Let me see. Oh, another goal of mine for this year is, it's funny because last year when I was making this video, I only had 5,000 subscribers. Now I am up to 15,000, which is so unreal. Like, I can't wrap my head around 50,000 people. I don't think I know 50,000 people. But anyway, this year my goal, I'm gonna tell you the number, is 50. So I'm gonna, you know, put that out there in the universe, and hopefully it comes to me, that by this time next year I will have 50K. Maybe I will have more, but 50 is the goal. So definitely share this video with as many people as you can. Share all of my videos with as many people as you can, and if you find them interesting or helpful, definitely comment and give me a thumbs up so that I can bring more to you guys. Alright guys, that's it for this week's video. I will see you next week in the first official Friday fixes. Bye.